Hi, good morning. Welcome. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Great. So, how are you?
Great. Thank you. I've been looking forward to this interview since yesterday. I'm really excited about the possibility of contributing to a company like Paragon Corp, especially in the digital creative. I'm really impressed with how Paragon is able to balance innovation and meaningful social impact. It's very much in line in my value and my goals as a creative.
Nice. How's your day been so far?
Today was really fun, to be honest. I started the day by looking back at some of Paragon's core digital campaigns like Wardah Beauty Moves You campaign and Emine's Gen Z focused content. It's inspiring how the campaign can build emotional storytelling while remaining fresh and visually relevant. It makes me excited and more creatively prepared for today.
Loved it. Is this your first time having an in person interview or have you done quite a few?
I've had a few in-person interviews before, but I still came fully prepared today. I made sure to arrive early, dress professionally, and brought all the necessary documents. I want to leave a good impression, especially with a company whose creative value I truly admire.
Alright, thank you for sharing that. Let's move on to the main question now. Can you tell me about yourself?
I've always had been interested in visual and communication. I love conveying message through design and storytelling. My passion is in the creative, especially when it comes to visual branding and meaningful campaigns. From there, I start to be active in campus organization and involved in several events, such a beauty event and teaching event. As a event organization, I also strengthened my skill through training and certification, including from BNSP for video editing and multimedia. I am currently pursuing D4 marketing management, and I hope to continue to grow in the creative world that is not only aesthetic but also impactful. Beyond that, I'm known as disciplined person. I'm used to keeping time and completing tasks neatly because of my parents' upbringing.
Well, that's interesting. So there has been preparation from the beginning. Let's move on to the next question. What is your motivation for applying for this position?
I applied for this position because I really want to learn directly from creative industry professional, especially in a company like Paragon Corp that not only focus on product innovation but is also very strong in visual communication and branding. The world of beauty and personal care is very dynamic, and I want to be part of the creative process in conveying brand value through design and digital content. For me, this internship is not only a place to apply my knowledge, but also opportunity to grow personality and professionally. I want to see how my ideas can contribute to the team while learning from a structured and high standard work processes.
Nice. Now I want to get more personal. What are your strengths and weakness?
On my strengths, I am an imaginative and meticulous person. I enjoy developing concepts into visually strong and meaningful design. I am also very disciplined and organized. I'm used to creating my own work timeline and dividing it into to-do lists so that everything gets done on time. On the other hand, I'm also a fast learner and open to feedback, as I believe vision is an important part to the creative process. As for my weaknesses, I sometimes find it difficult to adapt quickly to new or changing situations. I tend to be comfortable with my clear structure, but I'm training myself to be more flexible, for example, by making room for change in my plans. and learning from other people's experience to adjust more quickly.
That's good. Let's move on to experience. Tell us about any work or organizational experience relevant to this position.
One of the most relevant experience was when I was in the graphic designer for the counseling guidance Instagram account in 2021. There I learned to understand the brief, manage the content calendar, and creative a communicative yet attractive design. Then in 2022, I participate in a video editing training equipped in BNS certification. In that training, I made an opening video with After Effects and an advertising video using Filmora. And now I am creative in Kominfo KM Velas, where I practice a lot of collaboration and I'm responsible for the internal design needs to the organization.
Okay, so there have been quite a variety of experience. Now try to imagine a situation. How would you handle a conflict with a coworker?
I believe that the key to conflict resolution is open communication and willingness to understand each other. If there is a difference of opinion, I usually try to engage in a personal discussion first, so as not to aggravate the team. I also try to listen to my colleagues' opinions openly and then explain my point of view in a calm and non-defensive manner. In my experience as organization and event team, I've had disagreement with colleagues about design choice. I didn't immediately define my idea, but offered to test two versions of the design and ask for feedback from other members. From there, I'll learn that sometimes a combination of ideas can result in a better piece of work.
Yes, communication is key. Now let's move on to the question about the company. What do you know about this company?
Paragon Corp is one of the largest beauty and personal care companies in Indonesia that knows well-known brands such as Wardah, Emina, Makeover, and Kaf. I admire about Paragon is not only its quality product, but also its strong corporate values such as sustainability, innovation, and community empowerment. In addition, I know that Paragon also actively open internship and career development opportunities for the younger generation, which makes me even more motivated to learn in such supportive and progressive environment.
Good. Your reason is quite in deep. Moving on, yes. This is about time management. How do you prioritize when you have multiple tasks at once?
I'm used to making to-do lists and determining which one are the most urgent or most important to complete first. I usually make daily and weekly to-do lists and then divide them by time and urgency. It helps me stay focused and not panic when tasks start filling up. For example, if there are two design projects with close deadlines, I will first review which one need more revision or need approval from many parties. I also allocate time so that if there are sudden revision or change, I can still adjust. My time discipline and planning skill are very helpful in avoiding burnout or delay.
Okay, last question. Why should we choose you over the other candidates?
I believe that I bring a strong combination of creativity, discipline, and passion for learning. I have hands-on experience in graphic design, video editing, and even promotional content, all of which I do with an organized and responsible approach. In addition, I have an understanding of marketing from my major, so I don't just focus on good design, but also effective for the target market. I'm also not the type of person who just wait for instruction. I like to offer ideas, actively discuss and find solutions when there are obstacles. With my experience, work career, and motivation to grow, I believe I can make a real contribution to Paragon Craft digital creative team.
Thank you again for your time today and for sharing your experience and talk with us. We really appreciate your interest in Paragon Corp and in the digital creative position. We'll be reviewing all the candidates this week, and you can expect to hear from us via email within the next few days. Have a great day ahead and good luck with everything you are working on.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed this conversation. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day too.